Welcome everyone. Your Samsung Galaxy S series touchscreen has stopped working. Mine is working, but imagine you can't swipe, the power button doesn't work, none of the buttons work. Don't worry, we're going to initiate a force restart. To do this, you're going to press and hold both the power and volume down buttons together. If you have a Bixby button Samsung, you press power, volume up, and Bixby. So I'm going to press and hold power volume down and keep these two held down. You won't see the power off menu screen. Just keep these buttons held down. Do not release. And we'll just give this a couple more seconds here. When we see the Samsung logo, we release from the buttons. So any second now. There we go. We can now release. If this doesn't work, make sure you have a firm press on both buttons. If you accidentally release one button, you have to go again. And on the very old Samsungs, you may have to do power volume up and Bixby, or just power and volume up. But on the newer models, it's power and volume down. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.